This is Beyond Real News.
Good evening or whenever. I'm your host, John Beyond. This just in. Eating pizza upside down increases cheese flavor by 300%. Pizza enthusiasts around the world are now questioning if hanging from the ceiling like bats will unlock the ultimate pizza experience. In a surprising turn of events, carrots now speak fluent French. French-speaking rabbits are pleasantly surprised as they engage in profound philosophical discussions with their beloved snack. That's it for now. Use the link in the first comment for a lot more news stories. Please subscribe.